What's up, everyone? Good morning. Figure I started a little early so everyone can join, hang out, all that good stuff. Welcome in, everyone. Yeah, I'm early this morning. Giving everyone 20 minutes to get in here, ask questions, whatever. Drink some good coffee, just hang out. We're back, David. Sip on some coffee. Anything we need to talk about here? NQ faked us and died. I mean, we caught 20-point trim. So, we got some sushi money to start the morning. Some sushi money to start the morning. We took a trade during the IG live this morning, and well, I was live on TikTok as well, but I actually did the IG live and we caught some NQ shorts for 20 points, or MNQ. I made $76. I was trading 3 MNQ. I trimmed 2, then stopped at my entry on the other. Now, once the market opens, though, we can look for a regular size, regular type of trades. Basil, it was wasn't planned. I just went live at the time I used to. Yeah, I haven't been live on IG in a minute, so it was random. I need to get back to putting out the schedules for my lives throughout the week. Drop them on Sunday. I gotta reply to a DM here. Good morning, Mark. What are you watching today, Jadon? You still on here?
You end up getting cooked. That's what happens. I don't know yet, Grizzly. If you want to just talk Tesla in the video. Curious people, where are y'all checking in from?
"15 minutes till market opens. Perfect time to ask any questions." Good morning, Scott. I'm looking through the Asia sessions. I'm seeing if I would be wasting my time trading them. I want to, but I just don't see it. You all must have some crazy patience to trade the Asia session price action, especially the early. I feel like the later is a little better. The later part of it. Good morning. I don't understand it. Like, the volume's not there. Do you just trade based off price action alone? Good morning. Welcome in, hey. I'm early today. I've been live on IG this morning and TikTok. Now I'm back on YouTube and TikTok. Had some time. Finished my workout, got back in time. I'm like, okay, let's do this. Yeah, Jackson, I took a trade on Tradovate this morning. And it worked fine for me. No issues. No issues at all. Appreciate the follow, Raw. I had a push day this morning. What did you all hit? For those that's already worked out, had to change my schedule up a little bit this week. Had to change up the workout schedule. Push day for me. Pull day, nice. Nice, Jackson. 10 or 11 minutes here till market opens, so we'll focus in then. I don't see any setups. Oh, I was going to share with you what I was watching actually. I'm going to watch this pre-market lower area. I know Grizzology, my indicator, has a zone for us already here, but ideally I want to see us flush this pre-market low, reclaim it with a nice high volume candle, close back above, and for a possible long entry. I'm going to watch that closely today. It may just push down to that 24,600, then reclaim with the high volume. We'll see. We'll watch it closely. Nice, Captain Bo. Current point of control is 753 right now. You can see how well we've been respecting it. Welcome in, everyone. I expect the crowd to be showing up here in about 9 minutes. Everyone's used to me going live right at market open, so make sure you hit the follow button. Do you have to tweak the indicator? Is it good to use from the get-go? I mean, you can adjust it to whatever you like, but make sure that you get download the WAP app when you get the indicator and join. Grizzology comes with a community with it inside WAP. You'll have a chat, you'll have a user guide, you'll have announcements, all that stuff. So, maybe talk in there, see what everyone's favorite setups are. And I can also help you depending on your trading style. Just DM me on Instagram's the best place. And you can find my Instagram at grizzlytrades.com, or just click my link in bio. You'll see it there, a link to it. My Instagram is verified. It has a blue check mark, by the way. So don't fall for the fake ones if they message you. I will never message you first on here. If someone messages you, it's not me. Some fake grizzly trying to take your hard-earned money. Man, I like mine, my pre-market high and low from the overnight session. That's how I got it set up. My link is not working. Okay, grizzlytrades.com. GrizzlyTrades.com. That should be working on YouTube and Instagram though. I may have to reapply it on TikTok. Nice. Anna, TradeAway's working. My personal account's working fine. TradingView is working, so I'm trading today. Six minutes until market opens, everyone. Well, less, almost 5 minutes till market opens. So. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. Everyone's starting to show up now, so. It says, yeah, Take Profit website is working now from what I'm seeing, or what I'm reading people are saying. I haven't checked personally. Do I think we'll stay bearish? I'm not for sure. I'm looking for a bounce once we dip below that pre-market low though. What's up, Team Bull? What's everyone watching in chat? Your favorite setups this morning? live trading chat while you all watching. Oh yeah, Austin, I do. Deer, mostly. That's a good. There you go, Gary. I'm gonna watch that pre-market low area on NQ for a possible bounce. Asia low. Good morning, everyone. Let's focus in and make some money this morning. Remember, 3 to 5 M&Q is all you need to trade with me. There's no point oversizing, blowing accounts. If we take a losing trade, it should be paper cut, okay? No averaging down losing trades that are invalid. Let's do this right. No moving your stop loss because you want to hold for hope. Okay? You from Australia? There's news today. Let me look here what we have. So we have at 10 a.m. and we have 10 a.m. ET. We have home builder confidence and business inventories. At 10:30 we have a Fed speaker. Okay. So both are noteworthy. Take profit should be working now. Who's up?
Got the glasses on today. My right eye is perfect on my glasses, but my left eye is no bueno. Go.
All right, everyone. It's time to focus in. Market's about to open. We have 40 seconds. Let's be patient and wait on a legit setup. Let's do this.
Do this.
The market just now opened, Benny. It's been open for about 30 seconds.
Green Eyes, I added you to the Zoom, bro. You just gotta accept it.
Good morning, good morning.
Oh gosh. Coffee's so good. We're just being patient. No trades yet. If you have questions, we still got time. So Good morning. Welcome in. How's your morning going? Is Apex still down? What's my main strategy? I would say supply and demand is my go-to. But we've been having some good luck out of the orb uh, some weeks. Having some luck out of the orb. It's pretty good. I'm glad. Oh, I just want a little lower. I just want lower for my bounce. Was there a news drop just now? Or is that just a crazy can't push up there? How's my morning? It's been great. Lifted some weights. Good to hang out with you all. Hopefully make it back. I caught a winning trade. I went live on IG this morning. It had been a minute, but I went live, caught a winning trade there. Only a 20-point trade, but still. We had to have some news there. We're looking for trades, Jay. Just not one yet. What a massive candle. This is a wild candle, right? What is going on? What was this candle? Did we have news? I don't see any. What a trap. I wonder how many people that tried to chase that candle. Jesus. What's up? Make sure to hit the follow button. I go live every morning on here. Don't ask for anything but just a follow. Waiting on the setup. I will answer questions if you have one. I have a question for you all. We thinking we're going with some sushi or steak today? It's a good topic. Steak. G-Man says steak. Steak always. I'm down. Steak and scallops. That sounds great there. That's what I'm talking about, Ryan. Send me some jerky, man. I'm just waiting for the 15-minute range to get in. We had this crazy candle here to start the morning. First 5-minute candle, you can see basically what happened here is created a big range. So the only thing I'm looking for apart from this 15-minute range is sweep below this pre-market low for a bounce for a long entry. I'll let you know if I take anything. You'll have plenty of time. I'll kind of walk you through it. Position size is 3 to 5 MNQ. Okay, that's all you need. In my opinion, yes. As Hill says, teaching me that has made me stop blowing accounts. Yes. Managing risk, focusing on execution and not P&L is a game changer. I'm telling you all. We just got to keep our, keep our R to R right, our risk to reward right, and manage our losing trades properly. We'll be profitable if we can do that together. Just got to stay disciplined. Yeah, we had the right idea. We had a losing day during the live yesterday, but we had the right idea. We just got wicked out twice. Then it made a massive move the way we wanted. What can we do? We had to manage our risk, right? I think I will trade with 3 to 5 MNQ is fine. Whenever, if I say, okay, I'm going to add part of my position here, then add the rest here. Maybe just add 3 MNQ, then up there you can add like 2 more or something at our add area. Got this, David. You got this, man. I'll tell you something else. I've said this before that helps me out some. It's not something I can always call out or tell you all, it's kind of hard to manage all that. But like if we miss our first trim by a few points and we sell back off to my entry, a lot of times I'll take some of my position off at my entry in case the trade goes red, I take a little more risk off that way as well. That's only when it misses, our first trim spot and we notice like, okay, this trade could invalidate pretty quickly here. Why not take some risk off, Nice. C-Train, but once the payouts start coming, it's going to be, once you get the first, have you got a payout with that account yet? Or you about to request? Or are you going to build up to that 55 area? Just curious. You don't have to answer if you don't want to. I just talking. Are you going to wait to the 55,000 area? Okay. I got you. Yeah, we do have some news at 10. You all want to see the news and events real quick? Or waiting on this setup to form? I like the orb today. I'm going to watch the orb strategy for sure. 4 more minutes, we can actually start watching that. 10 a.m. we have some. Then we have a Fed speaker after that. It's interesting wicks here. This first 5 minute candles got me a little cautious. A little cautious. I hope this doesn't make the range any bigger. I would prefer this like closes inside of this the current 15-minute range. I feel that. I'm glad you're here though. You said you're new to the stream. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll do my best to answer them in the chat here. I'm just watching. Right now, I'm watching a bounce if we sweep that pre-market low area. Grisology, my indicator, has a demand here, as you can see, this green zone. But I would like to sweep this pre-market low before taking a long entry or considering a long entry. Zion, what are you looking to trade? You want future? You gonna trade futures or options? Futures, if you're gonna use Tradeovate and fund your own account, I think 2000's fine to start with on Tradeovate if you're gonna trade MNQ or MES. So options, I mean, you can start with the same amount. You just, some days you're not going to be able to trade options because the IV is going to be jacked up and they're going to be extra expensive if you're trading SPY and QQQ. Even individuals, around earnings, but I don't like day trading around earnings for like on individuals. I mean, Robinhood is great. It's just Robinhood's still a little hard to day trade with, but it's great for everything else. You can day trade on it. It's just you just don't have the active trader, Is it smart to start with futures? I mean, I feel like you need to understand both. Thanks, Pammy. I would just learn both, Why not? Learn as much as you can. Oh, you're welcome. Glad I could help you out. Grisology is going to try to confirm this. I wanted lower for the bounce. What's up, everyone? I'm here. I'm just focused in looking for a trade. If I take one, I'll make sure to let you all know. I mean, Chris, they could do that with stocks as well. The shares, learn that part. But I could see that.
And we went up and tested that 50% retracement of the day, like literally $2.
Oh, I'm not taking this bounce with Grisology here because I want a little lower down, everyone. Just a heads up. Even if my indicator confirms here,
And I do like the shorts at this
I'm
moment.
not taking it.
It's just very risky.
That point of control is very well respected today. I even noticed it pre-market. See how we
This
pushed
range
up
is
to
very
it?
large. We're only 17 minutes in. Gosh dang it, they're gonna front run it too. Wow.
This is my personal indicator.
That retest back up, what I drawn out there, that retest back up to that percent retracement for the day, literally just pinged.
Good morning. Welcome in. Okay.
Wow.
Jeez.
$47.65. Yeah, that probably should have, looking back, tested this short up here at 740 area.
All right. I'm focused in, everyone. Let's see here. Delta is close on this one. It's not a crazy amount of selling. It is red right now, but barely. It could flip. Oh, lower, don't bounce. Excuse me. I got like a tickle in my throat. The worst. I'm not taking this bounce. I want lower. This is crazy weather in Tennessee. One day it's 75, the next is 20 or 30. I'm watching. All right, getting some negative delta now built up. It's struggling there for a minute. You look at that, you think, that's craziest sell-off, but there for a minute, it wasn't much difference in the buying selling. All right, so we got a confirmation there. Starting to like shorts better, if I'm just being honest, but we'll see. I was looking more for a bounce once we swept this. We're gonna have to watch volume closely as we retest the bottom of this 15-minute range. Where's this? There's no trade to be made yet. Kelsey, I haven't decided what I'm looking for yet. I'll let you know the stop though if I get in. I'm watching for a possible bounce here. It's doing exactly what I was looking for, but we got to see if we get the volume on this candle here for a bounce, because I'm starting to like shorts better. Well, I want us to sweep that pre-market low, that 24th, the Asia low, 24,603 area. I want to sweep below, see if we get a high volume reversal candle here. If not, I'm going to look for the short entry.
All right.
Depends on this candle here.
I'm down for that.
We touched the bottom of the range perfectly there.
I can't take this orb short personally, guys. The transcending candle's far too high for me, so we did come up and touch this, but just a bit too high for my liking. Maybe if we confirm this candle a little more, I'll look for a trade, but
Yeah, we got news in 9 minutes, and we have a Fed speaker after that.
jeez Louise, 50 points. 60 points from that orb low. Oh my gosh. Too much risk on it. There was basically, if we would have taken that, we would have had to just hoped for a 30-point stop, but there would have been no real.
I think you made the right decision not taking it though.
Yeah, I think so too. It's sucks when you see it work out, but on the flip side, when it doesn't work out, you're like, oh, thank God I didn't do that. You know?
Yeah, probably 6, 7 times out of 10 that wouldn't work.
Yeah.
Zero DTEs are expensive today. I haven't looked. Are they pricey? Yeah, trade futures today then for sure. If the IV's jacked up on the same day expiration, it's definitely not worth the risk. Good day to trade futures. Like, well, we do every day, but you know. What was that? I'm gonna watch this pre-market low area for a possible short entry, everyone. Around that 24,600. 603.
I don't love the volume on that previous candle, but I like the setup too. DOD, baby. She's DOD. All right, guys, looking for the pop up.
You want to stay patient, following your game plan, trading plan. No forcing trades. We're going to be patient. 3 to 5 MNQ shorts if we take this setup. I do like it. For me, I'm going to keep my stop loss a 5-minute close above this. If we get the entry above pre-market low area. Good entry and no entry. I like that, Jackson. Everyone see my screen well? Just want to make sure. We good, TikTok, YouTube? I had one winning trade pre-market live on Instagram. Just so you all know. I made $76. Jaden's looking for shorts.
Now watch, because they're going to give some aggressive reversal candle. It's going to be tough to short.
Yeah, it's gonna rip right through everything. I just went a little higher. I was gonna start my shorts. Definitely have to be in the 90s, 590s for me to start shorts. $600 would be even better.
Got close.
It got close, man. It's just messing with me.
Alright, I'm sure I'm going to go grab some coffee from my kitchen quick. I'm sure the second I get up, you'll get a nice entry at 600, 610, and then rip, and I'll miss it. Because when I get up, that's what the market likes to do. So
We heard Lambo fire up. We do have news dropping, everyone, which is unfortunate. 1 minute. You missed our entry by like 2 points on them shorts. How about that? "30 seconds until news drops." Home Builder Confidence Index and Business Inventories is what's dropping. Then at 10:30 we have the Fed speaker. You said you're MIP. Is that your name? You said losing your butt. What are you trading? What'd you catch? I'm assuming you tried longs if you're losing. Gotta stay patient with us. What? Where do I look for news? In the news and events section inside Team Voice there. News and events is where you can find it.
Alright, what'd I miss?
We had data just drop. I was hoping we would push up a little for a short entry.
What did I miss? So gotta drop. Apex's website is down right now. There's a lot of websites down. Damn. I don't think Apex is fully backed up, is it? It's just being very slow. It might be back up, but it's running very slow.
I'm still watching it for a pullback. I don't know if we'll get it though. selling off hard. I'm still good with that reject we was talking about around that pre-market low area.
All right, let's see.
Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning for you all.
Oh my gosh, Grizzly, what do we do?
Well,
The market's dying.
I know, man. Not giving us the entry. Only way to handle days like this is steak afterwards.
Steak afterwards.
Yeah, that's all you can do. I think we might get a pullback. We'll see.
We're going to a pretty big area of support down here at 400. I did see that Project X is heading away from other firms. I've always thought the platform sucked anyway, so.
What's up? I'm not in a trade. I'll be very clear if I take one. It hasn't gave us an entry. I was looking for a short entry right here on this candle. Missed our entry literally by like 2 points or so. Was I a little greedy? Probably, but or a little too patient? Probably. I'm just trying to give us the best risk to reward possible there. Market is dying. I mean, it's just selling off. We've went straight up for so long. We have to have some pullback. I don't care if we go into a bear market. Yeah, just buy long term discounted, you know. It's all money making in the long run. We're gonna make money day trading regardless, so. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, getting some high volume on this candle. Let's see what happens. You sell your long term or what, Jenna? What's going on here?
Yeah, right? Oops, that is an aggressive push down.
The volume on that previous candle looked good.
Oh, man. All right.
I can't bounce anything. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. Someone asked me if I was bouncing that.
Oh, no, I wasn't calling anything. I just was. Like, all of our key pullback areas for an aggressive pullback are all in the 600s. 50% retracement from high to low a day, pre-market low.
I have a high risk short entry. It's higher risk. Around that 500.
What are you looking for? 500?
I was watching this 500, but I'm still okay with a short at 24,600. I'm watching it.
We're at the 50% of that candle, but yeah, I'm just gonna stay real patient while we move in this area.
24,600. Still is the best short entry I see. 24.90 to 24,600. This one candle just rips up to 15-minute range high.
Yeah, these guys are ferocious today, bro.
What a move up on one candle.
Ferocious candles, bro. Jadon the ferocious beast. Let's see if we can even find. Not really.
It's a good day to keep it light size, Team Bull. Team
Yeah.
Bull.
If I take a trade, it's probably gonna be light size too. Probably. Maybe I'll mess around and put some risk on, but probably not. Probably not.
No way this candle's gonna have higher volume than the previous.
Enough. Let's see. I'm open to shorts if we go test that 600 to 610. It's just. You definitely on a day like today, you need to have hard stops in for sure. Like without a doubt, zero doubt in your mind, your body, and your spirit. You must have hard stops in trading on a day like today. DoD requires it. When the DoD system speaks, you must listen.
Oh. I may have to make another cup of coffee.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking the same thing.
Gotta think, I'm already running off pre-workout. 2 cups of coffee. Like this new pre-workout I got. It doesn't have no flavor, but it's good stuff. Can't think of the name of it to save my life right now. I have to go look. Oh yeah.
I mean, that was a lot of movement, so I.
Still didn't get to the area I wanted to short. Come on.
You wanted that 90, right?
Yeah, that's what I wanted.
Yeah, there was honestly no area for me to short either. I mean, when you, no matter what tool you use or drop, 50% retracement was above 600. Pre-market low is at 600. 50-minute low is at 640.
And now this candle's gonna sell off to low day. Watch it. Frustrating. Nice, Keith. Hopefully you made some money off of it, man.
We did go tap the 9 EMA. Did go do that.
People talking about the 9 EMAs reminds me of when I used to mess with Brandon.
What do you used to say?
I can't remember exactly now, but we had like EMAs with like 1 point difference. He was always fussing who was better. Yeah, it was 8 versus a 9. Yeah, that was it, Haley. Can I explain the different EMAs? I'm not sure what you want to know exactly, but if you're looking at them on Thinkorswim, you can actually go to the go and read about them below them. It'll tell you. I just use them like a tool, right? Even though I haven't used EMAs in a minute, 9 EMAs used to be my go-to. 9 and 21. Well,
still no trades for me. No deep pullback, no trade. That's the DOD system.
we could bear flag here. We could watch that. It might give us an entry to the downside.
I have no, I'm with you. I have no interest in longs. I'm also not gonna rip shorts just cause.
We had I hope it doesn't rip down on this candle. Consolidate a little more in this flag.
Oh, that's a bummer, huh, Grizzly?
Yes, it is, man.
Constant. Literally, bro, just constant. I mean, why couldn't you give us even a remotely close lower high? still got like an hour. We'll find something. We'll find something using VOD.
I mean, we could reverse, but right now everything I see is pointing down, everyone.
A disciplined trader should take no more than 3 to 4
Nice,
trades
Ryan.
a day. Some takes
I guess we should have just went with Grizzology, right? I should have turned on the orb.
Oh, that is unfortunate, but that's what it is.
Oh yeah, Brandon's still with us.
Hindsight's easy to look back and say, "Oh, I wish I would have gotten this, this, and this."
Yeah, hindsight trading's the worst kind, man.
All it does is put you down. That's all it does. I personally refuse to bounce lows like this too. We might have support kicking in, and we could bottom here, but without clear confirmation, I've been burned way too many times to try and catch lows on a move down.
Appreciate everyone hanging out. Still waiting on the trade. If you haven't already, follow. And if you have any questions, drop them in chat, okay? No longs. Definitely no longs here for me. At all. Gee, man, I don't like longs at all.
If we end up having an aggressive wick up here with higher volume, it's going to be very hard for me to short that, according to the system.
Come on, push up for us.
So far, no trade warning for me. What do I do if I miss my entry the first time and then goes back to test?
Looking for this area. I may enter a little early though, so.
I wait for a wick and confirmation. I don't always take it. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm opposed to taking it if it retests that area, but typically the second test isn't as strong, and you don't have as much systematic edge when it gets there. Yeah, you gotta check your PA and volume confirm too for sure.
All right. I'm watching this push up, everyone. Looking for MNQ shorts. If you trade with me, 3 to 5 MNQ shorts is all you need. Fed speaker's coming on in 9 minutes. Which,
well, we got 9 minutes to make money then, right?
yeah, for real. All right. I started my shorts there, everyone. I got my fill up there. I'm not for. There's something wrong with Tradevate, man. Careful, everyone. Make sure your Tradevate's working right. Mine just filled me at 568 on that. God. Is anybody else having issues? I tried to get filled at that 590 area. Just didn't. Thank God it's selling off.
But it's still up for the boy. Team Bull.
20-point trim is where you want. I like day trading with buy orders. With market orders rather.
4, 6, 10.
This was where I tried to get filled earlier, everyone, for the trade. This is the area I wanted to get in right here for these shorts. Got my average fixed, everyone. We're good to go now.
Try to pitch the shorts up here too. Try to pitch the shorts up there, everybody.
See if we can get this moved down now. Crazy, it filled me there. I clicked buy at right at 90. Filled me in the 60s.
There we go. So far, so good.
First trim.
Still in the 90s.
First trim, everyone. First trim, everyone there.
I'd like to see more.
There we go.
All right, guys,
That's what.
we're below 50. There we go. All right, guys. Go.
All right. Muting that. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this pushed down here. Stops at entry, everyone. We got a nice trim on that. Come on, give us this move down. All right, everyone. I've only trimmed once. My stop's at entry now. I'd like to see if we retest that low of day. Honestly, be ideal. Perfect trade if we get low of day.
Come on. Make sure you guys have
Trade's over.
I'm out of this trade. 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 We'll look for a re-entry if it gives it to us. Nice trade though, guys. 40, 50 points. We'll take that.
All right. Nice trade, everyone. What do y'all think about that? That's a nice trade, huh? Sorry about the beginning. Tradevate, literally, that's the worst feel I've ever got on Tradevate. Literally. That was crazy. Stuff like that don't happen often. That feel that I had the first time, It's horrible. I did have to add to my position up there a little heavier than I wanted to get my average, but I did what I had to. I kept my stop the same. Let's see what we get now. I'm gonna watch this range here. I may have a second trade for us. I want to see what we do at this 15-minute range. Vincent, something went wrong there. Yeah, I don't know what it was, but everything seems to be working now. Oh, yeah, that's not a bad idea at all. Nice. You made 719 off that? That's awesome, man. Starting like shorts again here. Got a big surprise coming up for you all. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but some big changes are coming, so. And it's free, yes. What's up? Bees, you basically lost your account. What happened? Was it from the Tradevate issue that got me as well, but gonna go full screen? I can't stream from my phone and go full screen, because the way I stream makes it the fastest way for you all to see it, right? Less delay. If I go I can go full screen for you all if that's what you want, but it's gonna have more of a delay. You know what I'm saying? I got some accounts to give away today. You all want some free accounts? Is Apex working? Is their website back up? Oh, you all want some Apex accounts, huh? I keep in mind, for those that don't win or whatever, you can always go to grizzlytrades.com. Go to Apex, use code Grizzly, all that good stuff. But Henny, so right here's what'll happen. You're gonna have to DM me on Instagram if you win. Okay, tell me you won. I'll send you a code for Apex if I choose you. I'm gonna give Henny Visuals one free account. So DM me on Instagram. What's up, bees? What can't be real? I haven't taken nothing. I haven't taken a trade. No. Another trade yet. Joseph Riviera, 8518. DM me. You won? Let's see. Anna on TikTok. You can have one. So how many is that? 3? Do I give away another? Let's see. Make sure you all show some love though when you go to buy. And mom splaining, you can have one. And that is it for today. You all have to DM me on Instagram. Maybe I'll bring out some take profit accounts tomorrow giveaway. Appreciate you all. Still watching for a trade here. I want to see us test this range, this 15-minute range. What's up, Team Bull? I'm watching for a retest of that 15-minute range for a possible another short. I'll let you all know if I take it.
Bro wants more violence.
I want more money. More
Bro wants
money.
More money.
I don't know if we'll get up there, but if we do, I'm gonna watch it. I see you, Jacob.
More money.
Appreciate it. That's hilarious. You like take profit, huh? Are we doing a warm up? You singing? What are we doing? I'm here. Can you all not hear me? I want to make sure everyone can hear me well. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning.
Yeah, that 5-minute candle looks good for shorts. Since we pop up to like 550, 560. That looks good with stops above 600. What's up, Gene? What's up, Mr. Hour late? And Gene is just now getting here, fellas. That is no mames. Bro got lost. Hey, you got it.
Oh, that's tough. I wouldn't be I wouldn't be going long, Mo, under the current lows, my friend. Not in a trade, no. How'd we do off that first trade? You all make any money? Let's see it in the chat. You all make some? I'm looking, trying my best to give us another trade. Oh, I seen it. You made 719. My Apex code is Code Grizzly, but I'll have to send you a code for the free account I gave you earlier. Once you DM me on Instagram. Code Grizzly for Take Profit and Apex and Tradeify. We'll give you the best discount.
Beautiful morning so far. Caught a really nice trade, G. Like 20 possession, 40, 50 points. Yeah, it was good.
Yes, indeed. Been a beautiful morning, guys. I think I'm going to sign off for now.
We'll give the market a little more time, okay? Just hang out. If you have questions, I'll do my best to answer. Give it a little more time. A scanner? I don't use a scanner, Global. Are you referring to what's on the chart? That's a indicator. I don't think I've ever used scanners consistently. I just use my eyes and look at charts for trades, you know? How long do I usually trade each day? We're usually done by 11 a.m. on here, I would say. Wouldn't you, for the most part? Most days we're done. I feel like 1 to 2 good trades a day is all you need. Like anything after that, you're just allowing more time for error, more time to force. I'm not in a trade right now. No. We've only caught 1 trade during this live. We caught 1 in the pre-market live though as well. So we've had 2 winning trades live today. We'll see you, G-Man. Take it easy, okay? I don't always go live pre-market. I used to until last week or 2. But it's on Instagram when I go live and TikTok of a morning. Everyone should be following my Instagram anyways. I feel like that's where I'm most active. Thanks, Mark. That's where I answer the DMs at the best. Thanks, man. What a love today. I like to see it. Just gonna chop back and forth before making this move. Similar to yesterday. I think what's going to happen here, we're kind of just going to, go back and forth until we finally get enough for the move. About to sneeze, fighting it off. Whew. made decent money today. Nothing crazy, nothing special, but I made good money. No, I made steak money today, biker. You know how it is. Where's Greg? He's not trading today. He's a lot of travel lately with work. He works a full-time job. Greg does, and he trades. There we go, Jacob. I really want to catch the move. That's why I'm still here. I want the move that takes us slow a day. How long did it take before I became a full-time trader? I trade every day. I don't know if I would consider myself full-time. Because we trade like 2 hours a day and we're done. But I guess you would consider me one. I make remember, one income is not the way. I don't care if it's just trading. Even if you just want to trade, that's your passion, that's all you want to do. You need to create other incomes. One is not the way in 2025. What other income streams do I have? I have quite a few. Affiliates, Grizology, investments, land, real estate, which I'm not making a lot from that, I said the other day, but I will in the future. How many points on the second trade? We got in around that 90s. Got my average in the 90s, and you can see the move down we caught. It's quite a big trade. I made good income off selling options. There's good money in that. It's not as fun as day trading. A little more boring, but this price action is horrible. I want the move. push up, give us another short entry. Let's see if we can catch it. How much capital you need to sell options? Just depends. You have to have enough to cover 100 shares of whatever you're selling it on. If you're selling cash secured puts, that is. I hope we don't make the move down here. It very well could make a low day off this candle. Or next. Thought we had a little more time left on this candle. It'll probably be next if we do. Take it easy, who's up? Appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow, right? I'm still looking for a trade. I'm just telling people buy this, leaving the stream. Some people have to get to their 9 to 5s and other incomes, you know? Grind never stops. That's what I figured. That's what I figured would happen. If we make a low day here, when I'm gonna be done. Just didn't give us that entry back up I wanted. Second short entry. Maybe try Sid. What's your name? Sid New? I don't know. Sid. So if you want to do it that way, if you're using the group trader on Tradovate, you can't use the ATM strategy, so you'd have to copy your trades with another software of some kind to allow for that. We'll see. I'll see you back tomorrow, okay? You're welcome, C-Train. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I don't see our trade playing out. No chasing, no forcing trades, no giving back the profit we worked hard to get this morning. I'll see you back here in the morning, same time, okay? For those that got their free accounts, make sure you DM me on Instagram if you want to get the code for them. So, we'll see you.